keep up that high line to stop Levante being able to place balls over the top. And that's very well played from Onana, who goes for goal, and it required a save from Thomas Vatslik with his legs. Here he is, has time and space just to lift this one in. It's a very good ball across. Reguilon, what a save from Aitor Fernandez to deny the fullback. Still the ball not cleared. Nolito looking to turn. He turns into traffic. Reguilon continues. The flag stays down here as Chicharito's in, and he finds the back of the net. But immediately the referee's arm is raised. Of course, video assistance.
Yeah. Clear offside.
There's a pass in the middle for Nolito to try his luck, and he aims it straight at Aitor Fernandez. The keeper palms it away, but another opportunity and one on target for Sevilla. Navas, plenty of Levante defenders back, clipped up to the back post, and it was a really, really good header in the end from Chicharito. Jordan, again, it's that high ball, and there's the effort, and it really wasn't that far away. Nolito struck it well enough, and he can't quite believe his luck. Not sure which Levante defender it hit before heading over the crossbar. Directed away, it was Chicharito's touch, back to Navas. Goes again, and it's Bardi trying to mark, but Navas goes past him, puts it up. Luke de Jong at the far post was the man, and then Oliver Torres, and de Jong over the bar. Whether he was offside or not, that was a chance, Lauren.
They have to win those 3 points.
De Jong with the flick onto Chicharito, laid back to Ocampos, now out wide to that far side, looking with the ball into the middle. Chicharito, and he's put it wide. And much in the same way that de Jong headed over from close range, Chicharito has now side-footed wide of the mark. It's Luke de Jong with the goal. How much he knew about it, I'm not too sure, but the Dutchman's off the mark, and it's Sevilla who lead. And there it is, the final whistle is blown right on the 93-minute mark. And Luke de Jong, having gone 8 games without scoring for Sevilla, has become the local hero here. And it's his goal that gives Julian Lopetegui's side all 3 points.
Subscribe now, only on beIN Sports Connect.